Hello friends, this is Dhruvi here. If you are seeing my face for the first time, then please do subscribe for my further videos, as I upload my new videos on every Sunday, so do subscribe. Okay, since February is getting to an end and March is going to come, means summer is just near us. In fact, we can say that in Mumbai at least summers have come. Like, it's becoming so hot. So for that I have a nice hairstyle which looks good, makes feel comfortable, and it's really very nice. So without wasting time, let's go to the video. For that, first thing you have to do is just detangle all your hair. If you have long hair just like me, you can do this hairstyle. It looks really very nice. But if you have some short hair, then also you can do this. At least you can try this, and don't forget to send pictures, so I'll know that how it looks on short hair. So first thing, after detangling your hair, what you have to do is just make a puff of your hair. For that, what you have to do is just take the section of your hair from the forehead and take it to the behind, yes, and catch it properly. For that you will need two clips. You can take any bobby pin or tic tac pins. I'll use tic tac pins. Since I have flicks, I can remove some section of my hair. Even if you have flicks like me, you can also remove. And make the puff look proper. Okay, you don't need to be proper and perfect, don't need to be neat. Like, it's okay. See, mine is also not that good, but it's okay. Like, it's fine. It looks good, like it looks something messy, so it's fine. Then what you have to do is just take all of your hair. I have flicks, so it won't come inside, but if you don't have, it's okay. You have taken a puff. You must take all your hair. For this thing, you need a clip like this. See, it should be something like this. What you have to do is just, I hope you guys can see, you just have to take the hair in your hands and then roll it, like twist it, seriously twist it. Then while twisting it, take it in a upward direction and take it in a downward direction. Make like a bun. See, I hope you guys can see it properly. And once it comes in the upward direction, you apply this clip and bring this down, and it gives like a waterfall look. It falls down. If you have short hair, it's okay, it will fall something till here, but I have long hair, so it is falling till here. And in summer it gives a nice look, and it's something really nice which I loved it, and literally I liked it. Like, it looks nice and I may not feel that hot, and my neck be free. So that's all. Hey, it's looking nice, seriously. And you can style this especially when you are wearing shorts and sleeveless tee, and this hairstyle looks amazing. Like, I swear on that, it looks literally awesome if you are wearing shorts. So what you must dress, like, you know, a shoes, shorts, a tee, and this hair looks amazing. So if you try this, then don't forget to send me pictures and let me know how it's looking and how it works. Doing a normal bun is like old thing now, but doing something like this is literally amazing, which I feel. Do let me know in the comment section that what you guys feel. And that's it for today. I hope you like my video, and if you like my video, then don't forget to give thumbs up. And what further such videos you would love to see, and what all the other things you want me to try, do let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to watch my other previous videos, which I have uploaded almost 70 to 80 videos. So you'll definitely like something from that. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload my new video. That's it. Bye bye.